Someone's in a hurry at the expense of his life. Do you think the pedestrian would have walked out if it wasn't a driving school vehicle with a learner under instructions? I don't think so. Van drivers think they own roads until they meet another foolish driver. Accidents are avoided when a good driver is involved.
Guys, come on. Slow down a little bit. Okay. Be like him?
No.
He's on the cycle lane. Don't in the cycle lane. Yes.
Imagine we didn't check the right mirror before positioning.
Let's turn right at the traffic light.
Yeah.
Turn right at the traffic light. Get right. Okay, Garmin. See, people are always being between two lanes. If you feel safe, you can go past them and then come back to your lane after that. Yes.
What could have happened if they met a few seconds earlier with the motorbike? Everyone oblivious. Overtake with caution near a junction.
That's what I truly want. And Ella started walking around the table towards me. I was confused because...
Okay, guys.
You think she would have come out if it wasn't a driving school vehicle? I doubt it. If driving a car displaying your business doesn't deter you from being a considerate driver, what will? A fatal accident.
I know, it's just crazy. The guy just blocked the whole road.
We all fall down sometimes. It's how we get up that counts. Chin up, child. You've got this. Do you think that's a red light jumper? Comments below are welcome. Thank you all and subscribe to my channel for more evidence of learner driver bullying on the road by all road users.